GoTo is a useful tool for navigating your workbook. You can use this tool with the shortcut Control-G. Let's say that you had a really long worksheet and you wanted to jump to row 1000. You could scroll down to it, or you could just use Control-G, type in A1000, first column of the 1000th row, bam, take them right there. And if you have names in your workbook, named ranges, you'll be able to use this tool to go to them as well, and we cover those later on. So let's press Control-H to go back home to the start of the worksheet. And we'll go over the other way to use GoTo, and that's GoTo Special, clicking Special. GoTo Special. You can select to go just to the constants that aren't formulas. You can use GoTo Special to go to just formulas, and you have these options to choose from. You have the option to go to just blanks to find any blanks. Let's say you've got a large area of cells, but one of them is blank, or two of them is blank. We can select this whole area, go to take me to only the blank cells, so we can edit those and fill those in. Let's see, what else can we do? You can be taken to a number of things. Objects are kind of shapes and charts and that sort of thing. And some useful ones with precedence and dependence that we'll cover later on. And that's how you can use GoTo Special.